Welcome to the BodyFX September Shred Challenge and email coaching starting September 1st. You're going to tighten your core. You're going to feel stronger. It's time to finally take control of your health. During the 28-day September Shred Challenge, you will receive daily emails that will help you unleash your inner athlete, 28 days of workouts that will help you drastically improve your physique and fitness levels, macronutrient balanced meal plans that will turn your body into an energizing fat-burning machine, motivation and support 24/7 that will hold you accountable every single day till the finish line, plus the BodyFX Pop Quiz, which you will get to play with the entire BodyFX community. It's gonna challenge you, it's gonna make you laugh, and the best part, you will have a chance to win prizes. It's time to feel powerful. It's time to move your body and get results. You can be the next winner for the 10 and 10 Club, Shake FX, cash, or even a trip to Miami. Become one of our 3 million plus success stories like Nicki from South Carolina. She lost 35 pounds following the BodyFX challenges. Here's Nicki. Check her out.
The BodyFX challenge changed my life. Like, it's the best thing I've ever joined. You get the most phenomenal emails. They will encourage you, motivate you, teach you, educate you. And it's the thing I look forward to every morning. The first thing I do when I get up, I turn off the alarm and I look for my email. That is what I wait for every day. So for me, it's a no-brainer. It's stay with the challenge, stay with the coaching, and stay with the program, because this is worth it. I have wiggled and sweat and danced away 35 pounds and 51.5 inches. And then I see my face today and I feel, you can see energy, you can see pride, you can see happiness, you can see that I've come so far and the warrior has come out.
Here's how to prepare for the September Shred Challenge. August 27th to 28th, go grocery shopping. August 29th, prepare the anti-inflammatory detox soup. August 30th and 31st, eat the detox soup. September 1st, start our fitness regimen. There are 2 ways to join. Here's how. For those of you who want to follow the daily nutrition and exercise plan without any competition, join today at bodyfxcoaching.com. You will get emails sent directly to your inbox every day with guidance, support, and motivation to transform your fitness and lifestyle. Or, for those of you who love a healthy competition with your peers, join today at bodyfxchallenge.com. You will have a chance to win prize money at the end of each month, giving you the extra motivation to stay on track until the finish line. Your time to change starts now. You got this.